We will solve this problem in this video. In a class, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. Okay. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. So we don't know how many benches and how many students are there. Okay. So let us take one example and understand. See, suppose these are the benches. Okay. These are the benches. And what is the first condition given? If 3 students sit on each bench, let us say this dots represents the students. So on each bench, 3 students are sitting. Okay, like this. On each bench, 3 students are sitting. So if 3 students sit on one bench, 1 student will be left. So after this also, 1 student will not have a bench to sit on. So total how many students will be there? Tell me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should multiply 3 with 6 and add 1. So this will be the number of students. Okay, because there are 6 benches and on each bench 3 students are sitting. So the students who are sitting will be 3 into 6, 18, and 1 student is standing. So the total number of students will be 19 in this case. Okay. All right. So let us do one thing. Let us write variables x and y. Let number of benches be x and let number of students be y. Okay. So see, 19 should come here, isn't it? So how did we get 19? 3 multiplied by number of benches. 6 plus 1 will give us 19. So here we took the number of benches as x. So this, in place of this 6 benches, we should replace 6 with x. And on each bench 3 students are sitting. So the number of students who are sitting will be 3 into x, and there is 1 student standing. So total number of students will be 3x plus 1. All right. See, 6 benches are there, so we wrote 6 into 3. Now x benches are there, so x into 3 plus 1. Okay, but we took students as y, right? So this should give us y. All right, I hope you understood this first equation, 3x plus 1. This 3x students will be sitting and 1 student is standing. Okay, so this is our first equation. Let me just erase this. Now let us go for the second condition. See, if 4 students sit on each bench, let us say we have 6 benches again, like this, and if 4 students are sitting on each bench, 1 bench will be left. That means 1 bench will be unoccupied, like this bench will not be occupied at all. Okay, so total 6 benches are there. So out of these 6 benches, 1 is unoccupied, so we need to subtract 1 from this. Okay, because it will become 5, and on each bench 4 students are sitting. So 4 5s are 20 students will come here, isn't it? 20 students will be sitting. All right, number of benches minus 1, total number of benches 6. How many are occupied? 5. So to get that, we are writing 6 minus 1. Okay, now we took benches as x, right? So total x benches are there. So how many will be occupied? 1 is left. That means x minus 1 benches will be occupied, right? So this many benches will be occupied. Now on these x minus 1 benches, on each bench 4 students are sitting. So 4 into x minus 1 will be the number of students, right? So this will be equal to y. 4 into x minus 1 will be equal to y. Same thing here, see, 4, we wrote this as 6 minus 1. Okay, we took 6 benches here. So in place of x, it is 6 in this case. All right, I hope you understood this. The second equation will be y is equal to 4 into x minus 1. So y is equal to 4 into x minus 1. So this is our second equation. All right. I hope this is clear. Now we got two equations. We need to simplify these two equations using either elimination method or substitution method. Okay, so we have y is equal to 3x plus 1 and y is equal to, let us multiply this, 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 1 is 4. We have two equations like this. If you observe carefully, here LHS is y, here also LHS is y. So these two RHS should be same. LHS are same, y and y. That means RHS should be same, right? So 3x plus 1 should be equal to 4x minus 4. Okay. Now all x values one side and constants another side. So send 3x this side. So 1 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Okay. This 3x goes on the other side, becomes minus 3x. This 4 goes on the other side, becomes plus 4. So this is plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 3x is how much? 1x or x. So x is equal to 5. So the number of benches is how much? It is equal to 5. Okay. Let us substitute x is equal to 5 in the first equation. We can substitute in the second equation also. So 3 into this is 5 plus 1, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 will give us 16. Okay. So the number of students are 16 and the number of benches are 5. Okay, this is the solution for our question. Thank you so much for watching the video.